Okay! So, ayan. Pagpasensyahan niyo na yung background ko. Naisipan ko lang talaga to. Wala to sa plano. So, ayan. Welcome sa ating vlog. And anyways. So, today, mag-unbox tayo kasi yesterday, nag-order tayo ng mechanical keyboard. So, ayan. Nagkukulay pula na yung ating lapel. Natin na lang kung nagre-record pa siya. So, cut muna natin. Cut! Okay. Take 2! Okay, so ayan. Welcome ulit sa aking mini mo vlog. So ayan. Again, like nasabi ko kanina, mag-unbox tayo ng isang 100% form factor na mechanical keyboard. I got this sa Lazada for I think 1,300 plus, 1,000 basta ganon, around that price range, and plus vouchers and free shipping. So yes, so yeah, this is the Aula, basta yon, AULA. This is the Aula F2088. So yan, this is a 100% form factor keyboard at yon, that's basically it. So I don't know anything about the history ng brand. Nakita ko lang siya na mura, and I think the reviews are fine, pero I'd like to test it out myself. So buksan na natin siya. Usually hindi talaga ako ganito magbukas. Pero sige, wag na tayo. Baka ma-report tayo pag naglabas tayo ng kutsilyo eh. So, ayan. The packaging is fine. Balot naman siya ng cling wrap and bubble wrap. So, goods na rin. Hirap niya buksan. So, tago na lang natin yung ating mahiwagang sandata sa pag-unbox. Ay, malapit na po natin siyang mabuksan. Ha! Ayan na. So, tanggal na natin yung cling wrap and yun namang bubble wrap. So, yung bubble wrap, yun yung hindi natin sisirain. Kasi, kinokolekta natin siya for some unknown reason. So, wait lang. Ayusin lang natin yung ilaw natin. Yan. Okay na yan, kahit maliwanag. Kaysa madilim, di ba? So, I'll take my time. Ano yung sinasabi? Ayun na nga po, nahulog na yung ilaw natin. So, anyways, so, here it is, guys. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Kung ano ba yan. Basta yan. So, yeah. Very nice packaging. Wait lang, nahulog yung ilaw natin. So, ayan. It has a very nice packaging. Okay na okay. Ganda ng box. And, as far as I can tell, okay naman siya. So, buksan na natin. Oh wait, correction pala all this time. This is an F2, ayan, yung F2088 pala siya. So, yung F2058, yun naman pala yung medyo circular yung mga keys. So, ayaw natin nun. So, ayan. Tada! Yan yung laman niya. Okay, this is the keyboard itself. Wrist rest, keycap puller. Ayan ang keycap puller niya. The manual. Na syempre babasahin natin. Magbabasa tayo ng manual kasi doon tayo natututo. So, before tayo mag-proceed doon sa keyboard, muna natin siya. So, ano ba? Yan. So, yung wrist rest niya is made of it's made of plastic. plastic look. Though it's fine kasi okay naman siya, textured, very soft, though plastic nga. And this is magnetic, by the way. Keycap puller. I don't know, there's really nothing so special about this one. So, tabi na natin siya. So, for the wire, ayan, makikita nyo yung wire. Wait lang, untanggal natin siya. Okay. So, for the wire, ayan, wire. Hindi ko lang po nakikita nyo. Hindi ko lang po nakikita nyo yung wire. Ayan. Basta yan, ilalagyan na lang natin ng ng much closer look yung wire niya. But it's braided. Okay. Braided yung wire niya. No, not metal braided, pero braided siya. So, unlike other wires, this is better. Kasi hindi siya nahihila. There's less worry na magbe-break siya and all that stuff. So, or mapuputol pala. What? So, let's proceed na to the main event. Ang liwanag. So, and first look. Okay. As far as I can tell already, it looks good. Wow! No, legit. Legit yung reaction ko kasi this is not what I saw on the internet. This is not what I saw on Lazada. Kasi at first, I saw it as black. Black siya lahat. Pero in this case, it looks better kasi there's like a silver yung body niya. So, ayan. This is the keyboard. Ayan, 100% form factor. Meron siyang, anong tawag dito? Ayan, meron siyang paa. Okay naman siya. I can tell na it has a great quality. I chose the black switch, by the way, and it feels good. Okay naman siya. Pagod pala to. Okay, so, and there's really nothing else to discuss. By the way, double shot yung keycaps niya, so it's a great plus. Kasi yung iba kasing keycaps ay yung isang bulang siya. And sometimes it's just the mark. So, pagtagal, kumukupas, nawawala yung letters and stuff. So, ito, double shot siya. So, meaning to say, kahit tumagal, hindi siya kukupas. Hindi mawawala yung letters, yung numbers, and all the other elements of keyboard. So, ayan. That's basically it. Ito yung eme-eme lang na pagtripan lang natin gawin. Ayan. This is again the Aula F2088. You can drop by sa Lazada sa official store nila. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Yee.